With today's idioms and their origins, we are looking at the term a nightcap. Now, a nightcap here in this situation means a drink taken before going to bed, usually to aid sleep. And the first time we see this in print is in England in 1827, but it's likely it was seen before. But let's start off with what the original term meant. Originally, a nightcap is a hat worn to bed by the wearer in order to keep warm, so the drink eventually means the same thing. Now, the first time we see it in print is in Oxford Nightcaps in 1827, which is a recipe book that contains nothing but recipes to create the drinks. Now, the first non-alcoholic nightcap of reference, a 1930 Ovaltine commercial, an advertisement that actually said the world's best nightcap to ensure sound, natural sleep. Now, for those of us not in the know, Ovaltine happens to be a milk flavoring product. It's made with malt extract. Usually it is sugar flavored, cocoa powder flavored. Now, the effectiveness of warm milk inducing sleep has been disputed for years, but add a little alcohol to it, you got yourself a fine nightcap.